What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at a very cool product from the guys over at Ringke. This is a bezel styling kit that sits on top of your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's bezel. It's a great way to give yourself a new look on your watch to help your watch stand out from the crowd of Galaxy Watch 4s out there. But it's also a great way to kind of cover up those dings you might get along the way or prevent these dings from happening. So it's a styling kit and it's also a protection kit. Let's go ahead, check them out together, see what they're all about. A few things I just want to mention about the bezel styling kit that you might be wondering. These are made from stainless steel, and I had one on my Galaxy Watch 3 Classic ever since I got that watch, and it never fell off. But if you do want to take these off, it's very easy to do. I'll leave a link to my removal video down in the description below, as well as a card that's going to pop up right here. But they have different options. They have black, they also have silver, so depending on the watch, or maybe you even want to create a two-toned action going on, choose the bezel styling kit that you want. They're about $16, so they're not going to break the bank. And again, high quality stainless steel makes these a very good option, and it's going to keep your watch looking premium. And that's what I like about the Ringke styling kit. You want to make sure that the kit matches the quality of your watch, and these styling kits definitely do that. And a great way to protect that screen is also with a screen protector. So I'm going to put on another one for you guys just to kind of show you that as well. I also want to give you guys a little bit of a pro tip. The Galaxy Watch 46mm kits, the styling kits from Ringke, are also going to work on the Galaxy Watch 4. So just to show you, it's a little bit of a different styling kit than what they have now. You might like one of their older versions a little bit better than their newer version, but you can get this one if you wanted to. But let's take a look at the new ones, because this is what it's all about. I'm going to start with the silver first, guys, just to kind of show you. And again, it's a great way to cover up any little dings you might have gotten along the way. Once again, it's a great way to keep your watch looking fresh and clean. It's a great way to just protect it. And also it's a great way to change up the look of your watch. That's what it's all about. So let's just take a look at some of them. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. Installation is really simple, guys. You have this little protective tape cover on the back. Just remove it. The adhesive is going to start. Press it down on your watch and you're good to go. But let's just take a look at what a two-tone Ringke style bezel kit is going to look like on the black Galaxy Watch 4. Now once again, if you do have the silver Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, this is going to match really nicely. Again, protect that bezel. Give yourself a little bit of a different styling cue. Make this watch look like your own. Just take a look at that one. If you're looking for more of just a subtle look without any extra numbers around the dial, this is what the solid silver is going to look like. I quite like this solid silver, so you don't have any numbers around the bezel. Again, guys, on the black Galaxy Watch 4, this is what it's going to look like. Let me know which one you think looks the best down in the comments below. This is the older Ringke bezel styling kit, but again, has a little bit different cues. Just to take a look at that, guys. Again, let me know which one you think looks the best. I quite like this one personally. And now finally, just take a look at how awesome this looks. I really like the black on black, obviously. I think this is the right way to go if you do have the black Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But again, styling is subjective, whatever you think looks the best. This is from the old Galaxy Watch 46mm edition. This black Ringke styling kit is definitely making me feel some type of way. I'm really liking how this watch looks, so maybe it's a good thing that I dinged my bezel. Maybe it's a good thing that that happened, because now I'm definitely going to put this on, and if you haven't yet dinged yours, add that protection, add that styling. Just pick one of these up, and you'll really be glad that you did. This is their current generation for the Galaxy Watch 4. And I take that back about the old one. I'm definitely liking this one, so I'm going to install this one. So let me show you how to install it, and then let me know if I made the right choice. Which one would you have put on your watch? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's get to the installation process. It couldn't be any simpler. To install the bezel kit, just make sure that your bezel is pretty clean. You don't want any dirt underneath there. Next, just go ahead and pull off the protective film from that adhesive, and then just go ahead and place it over your existing bezel. Just go ahead. Make sure it's lined up very nicely before you go ahead and press on it. Looks to be just about perfect. No doubt about perfection from Ringke. And just go ahead and press on it again. Just give it an overall nice press on just about everywhere that you can. This way you'll let that adhesive work, let that adhesive stick onto your bezel. Now that you're all done with the Ringke styling kit, just take a look at how this dramatically changes your watch, and it also is giving you a little bit added protection. You can see that the screen is definitely a little bit more protected thanks to having a raised bezel, a little bit more raised of a bezel, but it doesn't add all that much height. As I give you a little 360 tour here, you can see it doesn't add a lot of thickness to your watch at all. It slimly sits on top of that bezel, giving you a whole new type of look, a whole new type of feel on your watch. I think this looks absolutely gorgeous now. This is definitely a new Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. and I no longer can see that little ding on my bezel. That's what it's all about, kind of hiding those little blemishes, hiding those life moments that happen to all of our tech. But this is a great way to do it. This is a stylish and protective way to do it. For those of you wondering, it doesn't affect the smoothness of the scrolling bezel. Definitely does not affect the functionality in any way whatsoever. It gives you a new look, gives you a protective and stylish look. It's all about protection. It's all about keeping your watch looking fresh. So let's go ahead and install their screen protector. It's a really simple installation, guys. They give you all of the necessary items that you're going to need because, again, it's all about keeping your watch looking fresh. It's all about keeping your watch looking clean. So what you want to do is first go ahead and kind of wipe off the screen there. Get any dust off. Very, very simple there, guys. Then get rid of any dust particles that might be there. Next, what you want to do, get their screen protector, get their screen guard, peel off that little protective film, and then line it up very, very easily. I usually like to place it on one edge of the screen, right on the edge there, because then it lines up really nicely. And that's basically it. Your screen is now protected. You can hardly tell that it's there. But let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video.